Yeah.
Come on in.
It's on the grass. Let's see what's under there. I don't know what's under there. I can see falling trees. But look at my log. Daddy, look at my log. I can see it. Say, look, I can see lovely. So what's that one? Yeah, my first one lost. I forgot that. I forgot that.
What?
Hold it. Look, a happy face.
A what?
Happy face. Well, where's that one gone? I can see on them. Wow. Look. Where you see what that is broken.
Oh, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
How spicy do I look like? You can spy things in my magnifying glass. I think that's my mum. Oh,
What is it?
my glass. A helicopter! Airplane! Oh, airplane!
What?
My magnifying glass. I don't try these. A simmer, a bird. That's my turn. My turn. This is nice. Pepper coming on. It's not started yet.
Have you had enough chocolate?
No, but she's definitely
No.
going to eat it.
All right, chill out.
Pepper! Pepper! You don't shout anything. Ah! It doesn't shout. Ah! That's the mom. It's there. You can't say hello to us.
Pig?
I got full mummy. I got full daddy. I got you. It's silly. Daddy, I can't get down.
It's me.
Wow, look at this. Big fun. I don't try these. A simmer, a bird. That's my turn. My turn. This is nice. Pepper coming on. It's not started yet.
Have you had enough chocolate?
No, but she's definitely going to eat it.
No.
All right, chill out.
Pepper! Pepper! You don't shout anything. Ah! It doesn't